Basically it's gonna go through here. So for a round trip it's gonna go there and come back. It's 50 riyals for 5 people. And look at the artificial sky. This is the Villaggio Mall. Villaggio Mall, Qatar. Very close to the Khalifa Stadium. Look at it, this is the artificial sky basically. So this is the Villaggio Mall. You can do the boat ride here. Basically you just get a ticket here for 5 of us. It's costing us like 50 Qatari riyals. So this is the desk, and then basically we go here. Is that wait? Basically it's gonna go through here. So for a round trip it's gonna go there and come back. It's 50 riyals for 5 people. And look at the artificial sky. Alright, so this is the boat ride.
Be careful not to drop your phone.
Look at the artificial sky there. This is artificial. Can you tell?
Guys, look, we're gonna crash. Assalamu alaikum. We're gonna crash, guys. It's okay.
No, it's not gonna crash.
We're not gonna hit that. I'm not scared. It's so deep though. Never mind, I'm scared. How long is it gonna?
And pretty much you can get all the American brands here. Levi's. I just saw Kenneth Cole, and then whatever. Some of them I even don't know.
Oh, it's so deep. Baba can swim in this water.
Lisa's trying to touch some water. Villaggio Mall boat ride. 5 of us can sit here, so which is good. And look at the artificial sky here. This is amazing. Foot locker it is. American Eagle. Seems like all the American brands are here, and European brands pretty much. Steve Madden. Subhanallah. I'm sure they are charging some premium prices. I ain't going in there. I'll go buy it in America. Shack and Shake in Qatar. Basically, you can use this. Yeah, I'm just checking something out. Isa got scared by the Shake and Shack buzzer, waiting for his ice cream. So Isa got chocolate ice cream. This is vanilla shake. This is strawberry shake. And this Nina got
Oreo shake.
Oreo cream and cookies. Looks good. This is 66 riyals. Alright, let's see how it is. Seems like this is the ice hockey place for kids. But yeah, they're cleaning right now. Ice skating or ice hockey, I think. Look what I found. Outback Steakhouse and TGI Fridays here. Look at this. Halal, I guess. Alright, this is a theme park in, what is this? Gondolania? They have all kind of job where do you call? Theme park. Theme park. This is in Qatar. Lacoste, Calvin Klein. Pretty much you can get all the brands here. I saw Applebee's over there. Looks pretty fancy.